Okay, good morning. We'll start it now. Last lecture on the definition of seven crystal system, then the seven systems we discussed, then Bravais lattices, then number of atoms per unit cell. In that number of atoms per unit cell for SC simple cubic and number of atoms per unit cell for BCC body centered cubic up to this completed. Okay, first we'll revise what is definition of seven crystal system. Anyone? What is seven system? Seven crystal system. Definition of seven crystal system.
Seven crystal system corresponds to seven distinct types of unit cells.
Okay, seven crystal system correspond to seven different or seven distinct types of unit cells. Okay, then these are the first one is the which one?
Cubic.
Cubic. Their unit cell characteristics. A is equal to B is equal to C, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. Remaining, please, anyone, please, fast. Revise it. Roll number 6, Gaudi.
Tetragonal.
Hmm.
A is equal to B not equal to C. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree.
Hmm.
Orthorhombic. A not equal to B not equal to C. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree.
Hmm.
Monoclinic. A not equal to B not equal to C. Not equal to C. Alpha is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree not equal to beta. Tetraclinic. A not equal to B not equal to C. Alpha not equal to beta not equal to gamma not equal to 90 degree. Trigonal. Alpha is A is equal to B is equal to C. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma not equal to 90 degree. Hexagonal. A is equal to B not equal to C. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to 90 degree and gamma is equal to 120 degree.
Okay, these are the seven systems. Then Bravais lattices, total how many Bravais lattices are there in 3D? How many Bravais lattices are there total? 14 Bravais lattices are there. Okay, 14 Bravais lattices are there. Out of that 14, in cubic there are 3, tetragonal 2, orthorhombic 4, hexagonal 1, trigonal 1, and monoclinic 2. So this Bravais lattices, and last one is a triclinic system. Number of Bravais lattices are 1. Okay, then characteristics of cubic unit cell. There are different characteristics. First one is the number of atoms per unit cell, coordination number, atomic radius, atomic packing factor, etc. First is started, that is number of atoms per unit cell. In SC, in simple cubic, what is the explanation of SC? Anyone? SC, simple cubic. How many atoms are there per unit cell?
8.
Number of atoms per unit cell.
One.
म्हणजे 8 atoms at the 8 corner, आणि हा कॉर्नर आयटम शेजारच्या किती सेल मध्ये डिवाइड झालाय हो? 8 सेल मध्ये, बरोबर आहे का? Therefore contribution of this corner item in this cell is 1/8. हा 1/8 part आहे. Like this, how many such 1/8 parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 8 1/8 parts. Means 1/8 into 8 is equal to 1. Therefore number of atoms per unit cell in SC in simple cubic is equal to 1. Then BCC, number of atoms per unit cell in BCC.
2.
2. How to explain it?
There is 1 atom per unit cell.
1 atom per unit cell.
One atom at the center.
आणि बाकीचे
Corners.
कॉर्नरला किती आहेत?
8.
8 म्हणजे 1/8 पार्ट आहेत असे. 1/8 चे किती आहेत असे? लिंबाची छोटी फोड सारखं. 1/8 आहे. 1/8 into how many are there? 1/8 into 8 plus 1 at the body centered atom. Therefore total number of atoms per unit cell in BCC in body centered cubic is equal to how many are there? 2. Okay, then write it. Third, FCC, face centered cubic. Draw this figure. FCC. Show 8 atoms at the 8 corners and 1 atom at the center of each face. Okay, see here, this is a cross-sectional area of this FCC. Draw this first one, this figure. 8 atoms at the 8 corners and 1 atom at the center of each surface or center of each face. सहा कॉर्नरचे सॉरी 8 कॉर्नरचे आणि 6 फेस सेंटर्ड atoms. Okay, accordingly please first draw the figure. Okay, in FCC there are 8 atoms, 1 2 3 4 like that, 5 6 7 8. In FCC there are 8 atoms at the 8 corners of unit cell and 6 atoms are at the centers of the 6 faces. Okay, these are the 6 face centered atoms, 1 2 3 4 and this 5 1 and this 6 1. Okay, 6 atoms at the center of the 6 faces, and we know that each corner atom is shared by how many unit cells? See, this is the contribution of corner atom. Each corner atom shared by how many unit cells?
4.
corner
atom shared by how
8
many?
unit cell.
1 by 8.
Okay, 8 unit cells means contribution of corner atom is 1/8. त्या कॉर्नर आयटमचं ह्या सेल मध्ये कॉन्ट्रीब्युशन, ही टोटल सेल आहे, ह्या टोटल सेल मध्ये कॉर्नर आयटमचं कॉन्ट्रीब्युशन किती आहे? हो 1/8 आहे. ही टोटल सेल झाली, क्युबिक सेल झाली. एका कॉर्नर आयटमचा हा 1/8 पार्ट आहे. असे किती आहेत कॉर्नर आयटमचे 1/8 पार्ट्स? 8 आहेत. ओके, मग each corner atom shared by 8 unit cells, hence contribution of corner atom is 1/8 into 8 means here 1 is available. Okay, then moreover each face centered atom, प्रत्येक face centered atom, this is how many
2 unit cell.
neighboring 2 unit cell. What is contribution of one each face centered atom is? हा किती आहे? 1/2 आहे. 1/2 शेजारच्या सेल मध्ये. असे 1/2 चे एकूण किती पार्ट्स आहेत फेस सेंटरचे? 6 are there, means 1/2 into 6. 1/2 into 6 means how many are there?
3.
1/2 into 6 is equal to 3. This 1 plus 3 is equal to how many are there?
4.
4 are there. म्हणजे in once again what is explanation? In FCC there are 8 atoms at the 8 corners and 6 atoms at the centers of the 6 faces, and each corner atom shared by 8 neighboring unit cells, and each face centered atom हा face centered atom आहे. Each face centered atom shared by 2 neighboring unit cells. Okay, शेजारच्या 2 सेल मध्ये. Therefore total number of atoms in FCC is equal to 1/8. 1/8 चे 8 आहेत, म्हणजे 1/8 into 8 plus 1/2 चे हाफ पोर्शन फेस सेंटरचे 1/2 into 3 म्हणजे सॉरी 1/2 into 6 आहेत, म्हणजे किती झाले? तो 3 झाला. म्हणजे 1 plus 3 किती झालं? 4. मीन्स टोटल नंबर ऑफ atoms किती आहेत FCC मध्ये? 4. Right explanation right here. In FCC there are 8 atoms. There are 8 atoms at the 8 corners. 8 atoms at the 8 corners of unit cell. 8 corners of unit cell. There are 8 atoms at 8 corners of unit cell, and 6 atoms at the centers. 6 atoms are at the centers of 6 faces. 6 atoms at the centers of 6 faces. Second point, each corner atom shared by 8 8 unit cells. Each corner atom shared by 8 unit cells. Moreover, third point, moreover, each face-centered atom, moreover, each face-centered atom shared by, moreover, each face-centered atom shared by, how many unit cells? Each face, 2 unit cells. Each face-centered atom shared by 2 unit cells. Therefore, last point, therefore, total number of atoms in 1 unit cell, therefore, total number of atoms in 1 unit cell is equal to 18 into 8 plus 1 by 1/2 into इथं लिहा 1/2 into 1/2 into किती येणार आहे 6
Sir.
हा
सर तिथे each corner atom shared 1/8 unit cell पाहिजे ना.
नाही हो असं कसं असतं हा टोटल कॉर्नर आयटम आहे स्पियर आहे समजा हा स्पियर किती किती सेल मध्ये शेजारच्या शेअर झालेला आहे शेजारच्या किती सेल मध्ये 8 सेल मध्ये शेअर झालेला आहे आलं लक्षात हा स्पियर आहे स्पेरिकल आयटम आहे त्याच्यातला 1/8 पार्ट फक्त ह्या सेल मध्ये आहे पण हा ईच कॉर्नर ऍटम म्हणले आपण हा कॉर्नर ऍटम हा स्पियर किती शेजारच्या किती सेल मध्ये डिवाइड झालेला आहे तो 8 सेल मध्ये असं लिहिलेलं आहे ईच कॉर्नर ऍटम शेअर्ड बाय 8 युनिट सेल्स आलं लक्षात
Yes, sir.
okay then total number of atoms per unit cell is equal to 4 in SC how many are there 1 BCC 2 FCC 4 okay FCC 4 okay then right second point is atomic radius right atomic radius listen please for 2 minutes please listen don't everyone please here in atomic radius means half the distance between the two nearest neighbors काय म्हणतोय बघा half the distance between the two nearest neighbors okay half the distance between the two nearest neighbors in SC these two corner atoms they are in contact with each other along the cubic edge हे ॲटम एकमेकाच्या कॉन्टॅक्ट कसे आहेत क्युबिक एज ना आहेत ॲटम्स दे आर इन कॉन्टॅक्ट विथ इच अदर अलॉंग द क्युबिक एज या फेस डायगोनलला त्यांचा कॉन्टॅक्ट नाहीये म्हणजे जवळचे शेजारी कोण झाले हो नियरेस्ट नेबर्स कोण झाले 2 कॉर्नर ॲटम झाले का अलॉंग द फेस डायगोनल झाले जवळचे हॅलो नियरेस्ट नेबर्स कुठले झाले ह्या कॉर्नर हे 2 ॲटम झाले along the face diagonal झाले का along cubic edge ने झाले हे क्युबिक एज ने झालेत कारण क्युबिक एज ने का झालं तर ते क्युबिक एज ने ते एकमेकाच्या कशा आहेत
नियर
कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये आहेत दे आर इन कॉन्टॅक्ट विथ इच अदर along the cubic edge these two nearest neighbors means they are these two corner atoms they are along the cubic edge they are in contact with each other along the cubic edge means these are the two nearest neighbors and what is atomic radius half the distance between the two nearest neighbors okay BCC मध्ये कसं असणार आहे atoms are in contact with each other along the body diagonal कसे आहेत एकमेकाच्या कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये कुठली डायगोनल बॉडी डायगोनल हे कॉर्नर ॲटम एकमेकाच्या कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये नाहीत जसं SC मध्ये होतंय सिंपल क्युबिक मध्ये एकमेकाच्या कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये होते म्हणजे हे दोन्ही एकमेकाच्या जवळचे होते सगळ्यात जवळचे नियरेस्ट नेबर्स होते पण इथं ते हे कॉर्नर ॲटम्स नियरेस्ट नेबर्स नाही ओके इथं कॉर्नर ॲटम आणि कुठला ॲटम नियरेस्ट नेबर आहे कॉर्नर ॲटम अँड विच ॲटम corner atom and body centered atom. Okay, these two are the nearest neighbors. Means atomic radius means half the distance between the nearest neighbors. Atomic radius ची definition काय आहे हो? Half the distance between the nearest neighbors. Means here corner atom आणि body center. हे total distance झालं corner atoms आणि body center. ह्या दोन्ही मधला half distance म्हणजे atomic radius झाली. Okay, half the distance between the two nearest neighbors. This is the distance between the two nearest neighbors. हे टोटल डिस्टन्स झालं दोन नियरेस्ट नेबर्स मधलं, त्याचा हाफ डिस्टन्स आपण घेतोय म्हणजे दिस इज atomic radius. Okay, in BCC atoms they are in contact with each other along body diagonal. This nearest neighbors means corner atom and body centered atoms. And what is definition of atomic radius? काय definition? Half the distance between the nearest neighbors. आणि FCC मध्ये सांगा मला आता. In FCC atoms they are in contact with each other. कोणत्या डायगोनल आहेत? They are in contact with each other.
Face diagonal.
Diagonal of the cube.
Face diagonal.
Face diagonal म्हणजे this is the distance between the two nearest neighbors. हे दोन nearest neighbors मधलं distance एवढं झालं. त्याचा हाफ घेतोय आपण. त्याचा हाफ म्हणजे हे आलं. Okay, in FCC atoms are in contact with each other along the face diagonal. Means okay, atom they are in contact with each other along the face diagonal. Means corner atom and face centered atom, these two are the nearest neighbors. Means atomic radius means half the distance between the nearest neighbors. Once again SC मध्ये सांगा काय आहे? What about SC? कसे आहेत ते कॉन्टॅक्ट मध्ये along the along the
edges of the cube.
okay, along the cubic edge. ते एकमेकाच्या कॉन्टॅक्ट along the cubic edge मध्ये. This is the distance between the two nearest neighbors झालं. कुठला हा आणि हा टोटल. हे टोटल ए म्हणजे काय झालं? ए इथं काय झालं? डिस्टन्स बिटवीन दोन ऍटम मधलं डिस्टन्स झालं नियरेस्ट नेबर्स, आणि त्याचा हाफ केला की आपल्याला काय मिळणार आहे? atomic radius मिळणार आहे. तसं बीसीसी मध्ये सांगा. इन बीसीसी atoms are in contact with each other along
Body diagonal of the cube.
okay, body diagonal means nearest neighbors are corner atom and
Centered.
centered atom. आणि atomic radius म्हणजे काय? Half the distance between these two atoms, corner atom and body centered atom. आणि FCC मध्ये atoms they are in contact with each other along which one?
Face
Face
diagonal.
diagonal. Okay, atomic radius means half the distance between corner atom and face centered atom. Okay, this is called as atomic radius. Right, definition first. It is defined as a definition of atomic radius. It is defined as half the distance between nearest neighbors, in a crystal, half the distance between nearest neighbors in a crystal of pure element, nearest neighbors in a crystal of pure element. Okay, that make underline for this half word for MCQs. It is defined as half the distance between the nearest neighbors in a crystal of pure element. Right, first SC, simple cubic. Draw figure for SC. Draw this figure for SC for simple cubic. Okay, write it. In SC, in SC there are 8 atoms. SC there are 8 atoms at the 8 corners of unit cell. In SC there are 8 atoms at the 8 corners of unit cell. To stop. The atoms, second point, in SC there are 8 atoms at the 8 corners of unit cell. Second, the atoms are in contact. The atoms are in contact along the atoms are in contact along the edges of the cube. The atoms are in contact along the edges of the cube. The atoms are in contact along the edges of the cube. Therefore, see here, this is R. R आहे. They are in contact here. Okay, means A is equal to काय झालं इथं? Cubic edge A is equal to 2R. Therefore, write it from figure. A is equal to 2R. Show here R. A is equal to 2R. Therefore, atomic radius R is equal to A by 2. Atomic radius R is equal to A by 2. R is equal to A by 2. Okay. R is equal to A by 2. Okay. Then second is BCC. झालं SC झालं सगळ्यांचं. Simple cubic. Then BCC. Write it BCC. BCC. Body centered cubic. Draw this figure for BCC. Atomic radius for BCC. In BCC, once again I will give time at the last. In BCC, there are, everyone please write it. In BCC, there are 8 atoms. In BCC, there are 8 atoms at the 8 corners of the unit cell. 8 atoms at the 8 corners of unit cell, and 1 atom at the body center. In BCC, there are 8 atoms at the 8 corners of unit cell and 1 atom at the body center. Second point, the atoms are in contact. The atoms are in contact along
Body diagonal of the cube.
along the body diagonal of the cube. The atoms are in contact along the body diagonal of the cube. Therefore, next line, from figure first, triangle ABC, right angle triangle ABC. Apply Pythagoras. Angle ABC is a right angle. Apply Pythagoras. This is AB means small a आहे, BC means small a आहे. Cubic edge आहे हे पण cubic edge आहे. AC square is equal to, apply Pythagoras here. AC square is equal to
AB square plus BC square.
Okay, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Therefore, AC square is equal to AB किती आहे वो? AB cubic edge आहे म्हणजे small a आहे. आणि BC पण किती आहे? BC is also cubic edge. A झाला. Okay, means A square plus A square. Therefore, AC square is equal to AC square is equal to
2A square.
2A square. Okay, AC is equal to
Square root of 2a.
ओके
Square
रूट
root of
टू
2a.
ए. ओके हे AC ची व्हॅल्यू इथे लिहून टाकायची. दिस इज AC. हा AC आहे रूट टू ए. आणि हा AD किती आहे हो? हा R झाला, हा R झाला, हा R झाला आणि हा R झाला. AD किती झाला? AD
4r.
4R. बरोबर आहे का?
4R.
AD म्हणजे AD इज इक्वल टू सी, दिस इज R. हे टोटल आहे म्हणजे 2R झालं प्लस हे R म्हणजे AD इज इक्वल टू 4R. AC किती झालं? हा AC आता आपण काढलं इथं. हा
Root 2a square.
रूट टू ए स्क्वेअर कुठं आणलं? AC इज
Root
इक्वल
2a.
रूट टू ए आणि DC किंवा CD किती आहे?
A.
CD A आहे म्हणजे दुसरा ट्रायंगल. दुसरा कुठला ट्रायंगल घ्यायचा आपल्याला? हा राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल. हा
ACD.
ACD. apply Pythagoras here. AD square is equal to
AC square plus CD
AC
square.
square plus CD square.
ओके AC square plus CD square. पुट व्हॅल्यूज AD ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे?
4r.
4R. AD ची 4R ठेवली, त्याचा ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर. 4R स्क्वेअर नाही लिहायचं, ब्रॅकेट मध्ये 4R आहे त्याचा स्क्वेअर आहे. AC ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे? रूट टू ए. म्हणजे रूट टू चे एचा स्क्वेअर घेतल्यानंतर 2a झाला, 2a स्क्वेअर झाला.
Yes.
आणि CD ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे?
A.
ए आहे
A.
म्हणजे a स्क्वेअर झालं. ओके सिम्प्लिफाय इट. 4R स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू 2a स्क्वेअर प्लस 1a स्क्वेअर किती झालं हे?
3a
3a
square.
square.
3a स्क्वेअर. नंतर स्क्वेअर रूट घेतला दोन्हीचा, काय झालं? स्क्वेअर रूट घेतल्यानंतर 4R इज इक्वल टू
3 root 3a divided by 4.
ओके 4R इज इक्वल टू रूट 3a झाला. देअरफॉर R इज इक्वल टू काय झालं?
Root 3a upon 4.
रूट 3a अपॉन 4. दिस इज द atomic radius. कोणाची atomic radius आहे?
BCC.
BCC चे atomic radius. Atomic radius of BCC root 3 of a upon 4. Okay, complete this. Take 1 minute and complete it. The atomic radius for BCC is equal to root 3a upon 4. Take 1 minute. Atomic radius for FCC. Atomic radius for FCC. In FCC, we know that atoms, they are in contact with each other along the atoms are in contact with each other along phase diagonal.
Phase diagonal.
Right, first 2 points in FCC. In FCC there are title written third FCC. In FCC there are 8 atoms. In FCC there are 8 atoms at the 8 corners of unit cell. 8 atoms at the 8 corners of unit cell. In FCC there are 8 atoms at the 8 corners of unit cell and 6 atoms are at the centers of 6 faces. In FCC there are 8 atoms at the 8 corners of unit cell and 6 atoms are at the centers of 6 faces. Centers of 6 faces. Second point, the atoms are in contact. The atoms are in contact along the face diagonal. The atoms are in contact along the face diagonal of the cube. Atoms are in contact along the face diagonal of the cube. Atoms are in contact along the face diagonal of the cube. And draw this figure. सिंपल फिगर दाखवा, फक्त फ्रंट व्ह्यू दाखवा ह्याचा, बाकीचे दाखवायची गरज नाही. ओके, show one atom at the center. then this is another atom, this third atom. Okay. बाकीचे पाठीमागचे सेल नाही दाखवली तरी चालेल, दाखवायचे असेल तर दाखव. पॉइंट घेऊ A, this is B and C. A means small a झाला, B म्हणजे पण small a झाला, आणि AC किती आहे हो? हा, AC is equal to
4R.
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 R, like that, 4R. Complete this figure. Okay, from this triangle ABC, right angle triangle ABC, write it. From the triangle ABC, AC square is equal to right angle triangle ABC. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. Therefore, AC is equal to see here, AC is equal to RR, like that. How many R are there?
4R.
4R there.
4R.
Okay. 4R bracket square is equal to AB म्हणजे काय आहे? This is AB
A.
small a. BC is also
A.
small a. Here AB is equal to small a, BC is equal to small a. A square plus A square. Therefore, 4R bracket square is equal to 2A square. Therefore, 4R, take a square root on both the sides. 4R is equal to root 2A. Take a square root. 4R is equal to, after this, 4R is equal to root 2A. Therefore, R is equal to root 2 by 4A. Therefore, root 2 upon 2 into 4 ची 4 केली आपण, root 2 into root 2 into A. This root 2 get cancel. Therefore, R is equal to A upon 2 root 2. This is atomic radius for FCC.
FCC.
Okay, R is equal to A upon 2 root 2, atomic radius for FCC. Okay, atomic radius for SC, atomic radius for BCC, and atomic radius for FCC. Atomic radius for SC is equal to R is equal to A by 2. For BCC, atomic radius for BCC, R is equal to root 3A upon 4. And last atomic radius for FCC is equal to R is equal to A upon
Divided
A upon 2 root 2. Okay. Right. Next is atomic packing factor. The atomic packing factor. Atomic packing factor. Next is atomic packing factor. Title write it second. तर थर्ड असेल हा. पहिला आपण काय घेतलं, नंबर ऑफ ॲटम्स घेतले. सेकंडला काय घेतलं आपण, ॲटॉमिक रेडियस घेतली. तर थर्डला काय घेतोय आपण, ॲटॉमिक पॅकिंग फॅक्टर. ॲटॉमिक पॅकिंग फॅक्टर थर्ड झाला. atomic packing factor. Listen here, atomic packing factor means it is ratio of volume of atoms. Volume of atoms, volume of atoms within the unit cell to the total volume of unit cell. एका युनिट सेल मध्ये किती ॲटम्स आहेत, समजा SC मध्ये सिंपल क्यूबिक मध्ये किती ॲटम्स आहेत हो, सिंपल क्यूबिक मध्ये किती ॲटम्स आहेत, 1. म्हणजे atomic packing factor for SC, एका ॲटमचा व्हॅल्यूम कसं काढणार, 1. ॲटम म्हणजे स्पियर असतंय, स्पियरचा व्हॅल्यूम कसा असतो, 1 into APF is equal to 1 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. हा एका ॲटमचा व्हॅल्यूम झाला. डिवायडिंग बाय युनिट सेलचा व्हॅल्यूम, युनिट सेल म्हणजे क्यूबिक असते, एक क्यूब. हा झाला APF. कशाचा APF झाला, SCचा, म्हणजे व्हॅल्यूम ऑफ ॲटम्स पर युनिट सेल टू दी टोटल व्हॅल्यूम ऑफ युनिट सेल. एका व्हॅल्यूम ऑफ ॲटम्स इन युनिट सेल डिवायडिंग बाय व्हॅल्यूम ऑफ युनिट सेल. तसं BCCचं काय येणार आहे हो, for BCC. How many atoms are there?
2.
म्हणजे atomic packing atomic packing factor for BCC कसं येणार?
2 into 4 by 3
divided
pi r cube.
pi r cube upon a cube.
Okay, 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube upon a cube.
A3.
Because 2 atoms are there in BCC, their number of atoms per unit cell is equal to 2. Is volume of 2 atoms dividing by volume of unit cell. An atomic packing factor for FCC,
4 into 4 by 3 pi r square divided by A3.
Okay, 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube upon volume of unit cell is equal to A cube. Means right definition. It is defined as the ratio of volume of atoms. It is defined as the ratio of volume of atoms within the unit cell. Ratio of volume of atoms within the unit cell to the total volume of unit cell. It is defined as the ratio of volume of atoms within the unit cell to the total volume of unit cell. Therefore, APF is equal to write it, volume of atoms in unit cell. Write this equation, volume of atoms in unit cell dividing by volume of unit cell. Volume of atoms in unit cell dividing by volume of unit cell. Volume of atoms in unit cell dividing by volume of unit cell. Okay. Therefore, APF is equal to n म्हणजे काय आहे? What is n? Number of atoms per unit cell. Okay. आणि हा काय आहे? 4 by 3 pi r cube.
Volume.
त्याच्याचं एक ॲटमचा व्हॉल्यूम, एक व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ ॲटम आहे आणि ए क्यूब काय आहे हो?
Volume of
Unit cell.
Okay, write this formula. We'll stop it here. रोल नंबर 23 आता जॉईन झाले.
हॅलो सर.
तुम्ही आता जॉईन झालाय का? अटेंडन्स अब्सेंट लागले तुमची?
नाही सर, मी होतो सर, रेंज नव्हती.
बरं ठीक आहे. ओके. Complete this formula APF. Then we'll conclude it. We'll stop it here only.